Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step how to create these list items. So here you can see that these are the list items and it is very much easy. We are having an icon on the left and we have a text on the right. So I am going to explain you a step by step how you can create it using Elementor in WordPress. So now let's start creating this. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So now what we have to do, again we have to load our Elementor page builder to create this one. So first of all, here you can see that we have two sections, like on the left side we have image and on the right side we have some text. So what I am going to do now, let me take two sections from here, and then as we have let me take this image from this and I will add the image on the left side. So once I have added the image, now I am the main focus is to creating these list items. So how we can create those list items? So first of all, in the widget section, search for icon list and you have to drag it on the right side, and here you will get a list of icons, like whatever list items with a particular icon. So here you can see that I have three different types of icon with three list item 1, list item 2 and list item 3. After that, here in this style section you will get, we are getting space between them. We can control it. Suppose I want a space between them is 15, and then we can control the icon color, whatever icon color we want to add. Suppose let me give it a blue color of icon, and then we can also increase the icon size. Suppose let me increase it to 25, or 25 will be more, so let me increase it to 22. So here you can see that I have given the icon size, and then we can set the icon alignment. Like if you want to set the icon alignment to the center, you can do that one. Then it comes for the text, and here in the text also you can set like whatever text size you want to give. Suppose I want to give it 24 list of items, and then what I will do, let me duplicate this, and these are the list items that we want to create. So here in this text setting you can change more typography, like font family, size, font weight, whatever you want to change. And here you can see that our main aim is to create these list items. How, if you want to change any one of the icons, suppose I want to change the design of the icon to this, so you can change it easily. So this is what we have to build. Like we have now learned how we can add these list items in our Elementor. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates.